Depending on which foot is your dominant foot, the placement of the blocks differ. If your left foot is dominant, the front block should be placed on the left side, and if your right foot is dominant, the front block should be placed on the right side. There are three types of starts. The first start is called the bunch start. This type of start is recommended for people who do not have a lot of strength, but is agile on their feet. The bunch start makes the athlete spend very little time producing force, resulting in a quick drive off the blocks as well as quick feet, but very little velocity. The bunch start should be placed in a way that the front block is 16 inches from the line, with 11 inches between the blocks. The second type of start is called the medium start. This type of start is used and recommended for most athletes. It is a well-balanced start that takes more time creating strength and allows the athlete to get a stronger drive off the blocks than the bunch start, but does not require too much strength that it becomes a faulty start. The medium start should be placed in a way that the front block is 21 inches from the line with 16 inches between the blocks. The last type of start is called the elongated start. This type of start is rarely used due to the tremendous amount of strength required. Athletes who use this type of start should typically be tall and have a lot of power. It takes a lot of time to create force, making the drive off the block slow and heavy, but produces a great quantity of acceleration and speed. The elongated start should be placed in a way that the front block is 21 inches from the line, with 26 inches between the blocks. The set position is the position the athlete should take before taking off the blocks. In the set position, the athlete's front knee should have around a 90-degree angle, and the back knee should have a 100 to 120-degree angle. In addition to that, the shoulders of the athlete should be slightly above their head. As the graphic suggests, when the athlete takes off the blocks, a lot of power and pressure should be applied on the back block for a long stride. Also, the center of gravity should be located at the front of the athlete's front foot. That allows the athlete to run with longer strides without sacrificing acceleration. The most important part of the start is the first step. The first step determines if the athlete uses the blocks as an advantage or disadvantage for the run. A good first step has to be long, driving the back leg using the force from kicking off the blocks. As you can see, when Bolt is getting ready, his front knee has an angle just slightly above 90 degrees and his back knee has an angle at around 120 degrees. His first step stride is also very long, giving him a great boost in speed. His center of gravity and momentum is directed in front of him, making him gain acceleration.